Hello friends, my name is Lalit Singh Mehta and today we are going to discuss about units of moment of inertia. So in the last video we have already discussed about the introduction of moment of inertia, that what is moment of inertia all about, but in this video we will see about what is the unit of moment of inertia. So before going into moment of inertia, we have to clear some basic points regarding moment of inertia. So suppose there is a plane figure and we have to calculate the moment of inertia of this plane figure about axis AB. So we have to divide this plane area, into elementary areas, number of elementary areas. So if I say this elementary area is A1, A2, A3, and the distances of this elementary areas from the axis on which the moment of inertia is to be calculated is something like R1, R2, R3. So moment of inertia will be equal to A1 R1 square plus A2 R2 square plus A3 R3 square plus AN Rn square. So if we take the summation, it will be summation of A into R square. So this is the moment of inertia of this area, plane area about axis AB. So now coming to the units. So the unit of MI depends upon area and length. So this is clear from the formula of moment of inertia. Unit of moment of inertia depends upon area and length. So if the area is in mm square, and length is in mm, so moment of inertia will be, we can see here, mm square into length square. So it will be mm raised to 4. So this will be our unit of moment of inertia. If the area is in mm square and the length, which is r, these are the distances or the lengths, is in mm, then it will be mm raised to 4. And suppose the area is in meter square, and length is in meter, then moment of inertia will be meter raised to 4. Similarly for centimeter. Centimeter also it will be centimeter raised to 4. If the area is in centimeter square and the length is in centimeter, so it will be centimeter raised to 4. So this is how we calculate the unit of moment of inertia. Hope your concept about unit of moment of inertia is clear now. If you like this video about the unit of moment of inertia, do share, like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.